In this video, you'll learn how to create a course in Udemy. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to set up your course and make it available to students. Begin by navigating to the Udemy website in your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click this button to proceed to the sign-in page. Enter your account credentials in the provided fields. After entering your email and password, click on the login button to access your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can select the Become an Instructor option to start the registration process. Once you are logged in, look for your profile icon, which is typically located in the top right corner. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Switch to Instructor View to access the course creation features. Next, you will see a dashboard with various options related to course management. Click on the Create New Course button to start setting up your course. This will direct you to a form where you can enter important course details. Begin by inputting the course title in the designated field. Following that, select the appropriate category and topic for your course to help students find it easily. Then provide a detailed course description that outlines what students can expect to learn. Additionally, add learning objectives and identify your target audience, as this information is crucial for potential students. After completing the course details, you will move on to uploading your course content. Here you can add video lectures, quizzes, and any downloadable resources you wish to include in the curriculum. It is important to ensure that the content is organized logically for a better learning experience. When you have uploaded all lessons and materials, take a moment to review your course settings. Confirm that all information is accurate and complete. After this review, click on the Submit for Review button. This action sends your course to Udemy for approval. Once your course passes the review process, it will be published and made available to students. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.